Morgan Motor Company has unveiled its latest creation, the all-new 2025 Morgan Supersport, a stunning blend of classic British craftsmanship and modern engineering. This lightweight, high-performance roadster redefines the brand's legacy, offering an exhilarating driving experience with a top speed of 165 miles per hour. Designed for purists who appreciate raw performance and timeless design, the Supersport is set to be one of the most desirable cars of the year. At the heart of the Morgan Supersport is a powerful yet refined engine. Morgan has equipped this new model with a turbocharged inline-six sourced from BMW, delivering an estimated 450 horsepower. This marks a significant leap forward for Morgan, as the Supersport now offers a level of performance that rivals some of the best sports cars on the market. The power is sent to the rear wheels through either a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed automatic, ensuring a thrilling connection between driver and machine. The design of the Supersport remains unmistakably Morgan, featuring the brand's signature handcrafted aluminum bodywork and exposed wooden frame elements. However, this model introduces a more aggressive stance, with wider wheel arches, a lower ride height, and aerodynamic enhancements that improve high-speed stability. The traditional round headlights remain, but the front grille has been subtly reshaped to enhance airflow and cooling. A lightweight carbon fiber front splitter and rear diffuser further emphasize the car's performance-oriented nature. Inside, the cabin blends classic British luxury with modern technology. Premium leather upholstery, hand-stitched detailing, and machined aluminum switchgear create a luxurious yet functional environment. The analog dials are complemented by a digital driver display, providing essential performance data without compromising the car's vintage aesthetic. The infotainment system is minimal, emphasizing the driving experience rather than unnecessary distractions. Morgan has also incorporated lightweight carbon fiber bucket seats to enhance driver support during spirited driving. One of the most impressive aspects of the new Supersport is its weight. Morgan has always prioritized lightweight construction, and this model continues that tradition with a curb weight of just under 1,000 kilograms. This extreme weight savings, combined with the powerful engine, allows the Supersport to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. The car's lightweight chassis, made from bonded aluminum, ensures exceptional handling dynamics, providing the driver with razor-sharp steering response and incredible agility on both the road and track. Morgan has fine-tuned the suspension system to deliver both comfort and performance. The double wishbone setup at the front and a multi-link rear suspension ensure a balanced ride, making the Supersport equally capable on twisty mountain roads and high-speed straights. The adaptive dampers provide adjustable ride settings, allowing the driver to tailor the car's behavior to different driving conditions. The braking system has also been upgraded, featuring high-performance calipers and ventilated discs to provide exceptional stopping power. Despite its modern enhancements, the Supersport remains true to Morgan's core philosophy of building driver-focused cars that emphasize mechanical purity. Unlike many contemporary sports cars that rely on complex electronic aids, the Supersport keeps things simple, with minimal driver assists. Traction control and ABS are present but can be fully disengaged for those who prefer an unfiltered driving experience. This approach ensures that every drive is engaging, rewarding, and filled with character. Morgan plans to produce the Supersport in limited numbers, making it an exclusive offering for enthusiasts and collectors alike. The company has stated that production will be highly customizable, allowing buyers to choose from a range of bespoke options, including unique paint colors, interior trims, and performance upgrades. Each car will be hand-assembled at Morgan's historic Malvern factory, maintaining the brand's tradition of artisanal craftsmanship. With its stunning looks, potent performance, and lightweight construction, the 2025 Morgan Supersport is a testament to the brand's ability to evolve while staying true to its roots. It represents a perfect fusion of heritage and innovation, appealing to those who seek a pure and exhilarating driving experience. As one of the most exciting sports cars of the year, the Supersport reaffirms Morgan's position as a manufacturer of truly special automobiles. Enthusiasts who are lucky enough to secure one will undoubtedly own a piece of automotive history, blending tradition with cutting-edge performance in a way that only Morgan can deliver.